Hi, I'm Rob Van Raphorst. Welcome to MBA Now. The landscape for small lenders and independent mortgage bankers has changed tremendously over the last 12 months, and the industry is still facing many unknowns. Because of this, MBA is starting off 2019 with the nation's largest gathering of IMB leaders. Here to discuss changes non-bank lenders may face and MBA's 2019 IMB convention in San Francisco, January 28th through the 31st, is MBA's Senior Vice President of Residential Policy, Pete Mills. Pete, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Rob.
Pete, first talk a little bit about the conference and what we can expect.
So, as you said, this is the largest gathering of independent mortgage bankers in the country. We get together every year. This is our 7th annual conference. It's a great gathering, and it is really, the entire program is geared towards the independent mortgage banker. So from the sessions, the networking opportunities, it's all your colleagues in the independent mortgage banking space gathering together once a year to talk about big issues that matter, whether they're policy issues, market issues. And if you look at the contents, designed by independent mortgage bankers for independent mortgage bankers. And so the content of the conference is really geared to the challenges that you're facing today. Whether it's independent mortgage banker liquidity issues, we have an entire workshop on the final day of the conference, as well as a couple panel sessions on that issue. We have sessions on LO comp, which, as everybody knows, is the hottest issue in the marketplace today. We have an M&A workshop at the front end of the conference on Monday. A great opportunity to come understand what that marketplace is like. It's really geared to the issues that the independents are facing right now.
You talked specifically about the conference. Why is it so important for IMBs and for others to attend?
So independent mortgage bankers have become the largest source of single-family financing, and I don't think they're a well-understood segment of the marketplace. And so we want to make sure that independents have all the tools they need to continue to be successful, to continue to hold on to the market share that they have, and really succeed in a challenging environment. And the entire content of the conference is really built around that, and it's an opportunity to network and share with your colleagues what's working for you, and what you could maybe do differently or better.
Let's talk a little bit about the issues facing IMBs as we go into this next year. What do you see on the horizon for the industry?
The biggest challenge in the marketplace right now, as we all know, is LO comp. We have successfully elevated that issue on the CFPB's radar, and we'll be working with them in the first quarter with the new director. We now have the new director in place. And it's an opportunity to sit down with her and her team to really discuss the challenges that rule causes in the marketplace. And this is one of those issues that's really a win-win. It's good for the industry, it's good for consumers. So that's a major one. Obviously, the issues in the marketplace around liquidity. There are concerns that we think, some of them unfounded, about the IMB market share. We want to make sure we educate policymakers the importance of the IMB sector, how they're serving the first-time buyers, the LMI buyers, and doing it well. And so I think we're going to be working with Ginnie Mae, with the GSEs, to make sure that whatever changes they're contemplating for independents with respect to capital requirements, liquidity requirements, and the like, we're going to be engaged, and we're going to make sure that those are reasonable and thoughtful, and strengthen the IMB sector.
That's really insightful as always, Pete. Thanks so much for stopping by and talking about it and the conference. We know it's such an important event for our industry and for our association, so we really appreciate you stopping by and talking about what it's going to mean for IMBs.
I'm happy to do it. Thank you.